Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Fiat 500 daytime running light, updated. Park on level ground, switch off ignition, and gather tools like a flat screwdriver and a compatible bulb. Open the bonnet carefully, locate the lamp housing, and consult the manual or label for bulb type. Work slowly, avoid touching the bulb glass with bare fingers, and test the new lamp before reassembling the trim and closing the bonnet. Start by removing any obstructing covers, like the battery cover or airbox, to reach the headlamp area. Use a flat screwdriver to ease open retaining tabs without forcing them and keep track of all fasteners. Once the housing cover is removed, locate the bulb socket and press the wiring connector tab to detach it. Keep parts organized and avoid pulling wires at odd angles to prevent damage during reinstallation. Handle the bulb carefully and remove it by twisting the socket counterclockwise and pulling straight out. Insert the replacement bulb into the socket, twist clockwise to secure it, and reconnect the wiring plug. Before refitting the housing or covers, switch the ignition to test the daytime running light and confirm correct operation. If the light fails, double-check connections and bulb seating, then reassemble trims once everything works properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.